How to add mods on Minecraft. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add mods on Minecraft. Now to run mods on your Windows or Mac computer, you will need to install the correct version of Minecraft Forge. This program allows Minecraft to use installed mods. If you want to use mods for Minecraft, then you need to install the 1.12.2 versions for Forge for Minecraft. After that, go to a Minecraft mod site. Find a mod that you want and then download the mod in question. A couple of well-known Minecraft mod sites include the following. You can access its website at minecraftmods.com. You can also type a specific mod type such as tags followed by Minecraft mod into Google and browse the results. Make sure the mod is for the same version of Minecraft as Forge or it may not work. After that, find the downloaded mod file in your computer's normal download section. Then, click it to select it. The mod file should resemble a Java logo on a white background. If the mod file downloads in a zip folder, you will first need to extract the file before selecting it. After that, press Ctrl+C for Windows or Command+C for Mac to copy the mod file. After that, double-click the Minecraft app icon, which resembles a block of dirt with grass on it. The Minecraft launcher will open and update if it's out of date. Then click Installation. It's a tab on the upper right side of the launcher window. If you don't see this tab, first click 3 bars on the upper right side of the launcher window. Then click Latest Release. This is the middle of the window. Now click the green Game Directory arrow. It's on the right side of the launcher window, directly across from the Game Directory switch. Doing so opens the folder in which all of your Minecraft game folders are located. Now, double-click the mods folder to open it. If you don't see the mods folder, create one. First, you need to click on Home, then click New Folder and type in mods and press Enter. For Mac, click on File and then click on New Folder, type in mods and press Enter. Next, click a blank space in the mods folder, then press Ctrl+V or Command+V. The mod file will appear in the folder. If the mod file does not appear, do steps 3 and 4 again, and then try pasting again. Now you need to close the mods folder at this point. After that, click the profile arrow, and it's to the right of the giant green play button. A pop-up menu will appear. Then click the Minecraft Forge option. This option will be the Minecraft Forge version number. Doing so will allow you to load the mods. After that, click the play. Minecraft will load, along with the mod that you added to the mods folder. When you start a game, the mod will automatically be applied. If you don't want to use the mod anymore, you can switch back to the Minecraft profile in the launcher by clicking the profile arrow, clicking Minecraft and clicking Play. Now, deleting a mod file from the mod folder will remove the mod from Minecraft. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.